welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here with a meal plan as I do every week in my household planner. And this, once again, is just a happy planner that I put together using some rose gold disc. And this is actually the cover of the recipe planner. I swapped that cover out with this cover, and I have a whole bunch of household inserts in here. So this week we will begin by reviewing our meal plan from last week, and let's talk a little bit about it. So my budget that I set for myself was $125, and I'm happy to say once again this week I'm under budget at $118.41. So yay me, good job. I'm totally happy about it. So jumping right in this week, we are going to pull out our pages and get started with this meal plan. So if you have watched my videos, plan with me video, or videos from this week, you'll know that I have been battling vertigo. I think that I am feeling better, and I'm saying I think because it's like as soon as I think that I'm feeling better, wham bam, something hits me again. So I think that I'm at about 45% of where I used to be. So not quite normal, but I'm getting there and hanging in there and just really picking my battles of the things that I choose to do. So my planner is something, or planners, or planning is something that I don't want to, you know, fall behind because I'm not feeling well. So I'm definitely on top of my meal plan. Besides, when I don't meal plan, my family goes willy-nilly eating out all the time and spending a bunch of money. So in order for us to stick to the budget, I have to do this. So I chose some washi tape from one of the recollection kits. It's one of the I think it's called Punny, and I used some of this earlier in the year, but I chose these specific ones, and it should blend pretty well with this teal or light teal green there. Okay, so let's grab my handy dandy X-Acto knife here, and let's begin laying the washi. Oh, this is cute. This has a bunch of food on it, so it's definitely very fitting. All right, I'm going to cut this off here because I don't want it to impair my ability to put this back into my planner when I'm done. And then I like to run it to the edge of the page. So it's that bottom strip there. Oh, so cute. It's got hot dogs and sushi and boiled egg and pizza. It's very cute. Okay, and I think that I'm going to use the next one. Also has some of those same characters on it, except it's thinner. And this one says, I love you more than junk food. So this has hot dogs, tacos, and pizza. Then I love you more than junk food. So this is definitely very, very food related. So how did you do with your budget last week? I totally am proud of myself, even impressed that I was able to stay within my budget, because as you guys know, I had a couple of rough weeks, or at least one that I could think of where I was way over budget, and there were multiple extra trips to the supermarket. And the whole point of meal planning is to eliminate those extra trips to the supermarket. So I like my trip to the supermarket to be the one trip that's made to pick up the groceries on the weekend, and that's it. You get into blowing your budget when you have to make multiple trips to the supermarket for things that A, you forgot to plan on this list, or B, things you forgot to, or things you run out of because you didn't anticipate that you would have enough. And of course, we all do it. And I know I do that with drinks, but it seems like my family, oh my goodness, they drink all the water, they drink all the juice, they drink all the soda, So it's not like if I just buy water, it's not like the water doesn't get consumed, because it does. So I don't know what the ticket to getting that right, as far as getting them to, making the drinks last all week. Everything else, I feel for the most part, lasts all week. And then when I find things on sale, like if I go to Target and I see water on sale, I try to just, pick up an extra thing of water and put that out in the garage so that, we actually never run out of water. And it's crazy, my family refuses to drink filtered water from the refrigerator, even though it's filtered. So I absolutely have to buy bottled water, and because they don't really drink the filtered water from the refrigerator, even though I keep that filter, changed as soon as the refrigerator tells me I'm getting ready to need one. I place my little order. So, but as long as they're drinking water, I guess I shouldn't complain if it's filtered, bottled, whatever. At least they're drinking water. Okay, so popping over to the grocery side and laying some washi. Going to lay the skinny first here in these two lines here in the middle. And I actually like this little food washi. It makes it fun and, changes it up a little bit. I'm going to be using, of course, the new food sticker book that came out by the new sticker book that just came out by Create 365 or Mambi. And I'm also using the food sticker book from Agenda 52, and that one's not a new one. And then finally, I'll be using the Payday foiled sticker book to get just my dollar sign for the budget over there. All right. So as soon as I finish with the actual meal plan, I will jump over to Walmart Grocery and place my order to pick up for tomorrow if there's any pickup slots available. Okay. All right. Feel like we're starting to get faster and faster at this every week. All right. All right, let's put them side by side and let's see how cute they are before we begin. It's goofy, but cute, so I like it. All right. So I have my cheat sheet, of course, right here from the Daydreamer line, Planner Girl line. And I am using for pens, I'm actually gonna use my black and my pink, hot pink tool pens in their .07s. Okay. So this is the week of March 5th through the 11th. So 3/5 through 3/11. And let's pop on a hot pink budget sticker. And I'm going to think I'll cut the top. Seems like there's more room on the top than the bottom. All right, my budget this week is going to be $100. Okay, so on Monday we are having salmon with honey soy marinade. So salmon, I'm going to do white rice and steamed broccoli. All right. Tuesday we are having fish tacos with Baja sauce. So let's grab our new Create 365 sticker book and grab the cute little taco that's there. And we're also going to grab the broccoli that is there. So here it goes. And we want to use the tacos, which they have a page in here that is dedicated strictly to Taco Tuesday. Here we go. So we're just gonna grab a taco. And then we're gonna go back to the veggie portion back here towards the back. And we are going to add our broccoli. It's so cute. Come on, broccoli. All right. All right. So Wednesday, we are going to have slow cooker chicken parmesan over spaghetti noodles. So spaghetti. And since this is a crock pot meal, I do have some very cute crock pot stickers that I print and cut with my Cricut that I'm going to put on here. And let's see, maybe a hot pink crock pot will be what we need for this one. Let's see, hot pink crock pot. Do we have one? We absolutely do. Then for Thursday, we'll have enough to have leftovers, so. Okay, Friday, we are having Chinese takeout. So it's just going to be, I don't know if it's going to be sushi or what everyone gets, but I thought it was a great time to grab one of these little bowls and a fortune cookie and chopsticks. Look at these cute little chopsticks. And let's get a fortune cookie to finish that off. Because what is Chinese food without a fortune cookie? Okay. So for Saturday, we are going to have just sandwiches and chips, and everybody will make their own sandwich. All right. And then for Sunday, you're going to see a repeat meal from last week. However, due to me being ill, it was not cooked. So that 3-packet nuggets, roast beef with herb potatoes, and green beans. Okay, so I'm going to grab one of these So Good stickers and put here because I think our meal is going to be so good this week. Okay, so now I'm coming right over and I'm going to do the groceries, and then I will come back and close out. So this is our completed meal plan, once again, for the week of March 5th through March 11th. And I've set my budget at $100. And I think that that is going to be an awesome budget for me. Let me zoom this out just a little bit. That's going to be an awesome budget, and I think that is really going to be easy to stick to it. I think it's important when you are meal planning just to make sure that you're accurate, and it's better to over plan your spend than to under plan your spend. I much rather go under than over. So that's a good rule of thumb. If you're in the city you are in, if there's any grocery stores that offers the service where you can order and pick up your groceries, even if it's free or for a fee, Walmart currently does it for free. I do believe I saw a flyer or a poster in Target that's saying that they're getting ready to be able to offer that service as well. So maybe that will be, you know, another supermarket that I can take advantage of this service with. But right now it's Walmart grocery. And then if there's things that I can't find or things that I want to get somewhere else, you know, I'll run to a Harris Teeter, Publix, Compare Foods. Just say, it just depends where I am, what side of town I'm on. So this completes our weekly meal plan. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope they're helpful to you, and it is encouraging you to mostly budget and also to actually meal plan for your family. All right, you have an awesome week, and thank you once again. If you enjoyed the video, how about give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Ciao, bella.